This is Getresponse, and in our previous videos we have explained how you can actually boost your sales and of course make money with this internet marketing software. This video is focused on how you can actually become a partner with this world-class company and be making money in dollars from any corner of the world. When you toggle on this icon, you will see a lot of features by this single software. Some of the notable features include email marketing. With this software, you can create email autoresponders, have a proper analytics, list management, and transactional emails if you are into e-commerce. With this same software, you can create pop-ups and forms. So the second feature here is the pop-up and forms. If you own a website or want to get a lot of persons to sign up or subscribe to any particular offer, this is an ideal software to go for. All right, the next one is the push notification. We have the live chat. With this software, you can as well create beautiful landing pages. And with this same software, you can create webinars, sign up forms, run paid ads on Facebook and on Google. One of the core features that made this software an irresistible offer to anybody who wants to sell online is the marketing automation powers. By now, you must have known what marketing automation means. But if you are just getting started with online marketing, I recommend you check out the links in the description of this video to actually learn more on how you can make money with Getresponse and a lot of other platforms irrespective of your location. So to become an affiliate with this platform, you'll be following three distinct stages. The first stage is for you to actually sign up with this platform. Stage 2 is for you to generate your own unique affiliate link or affiliate code. And the third stage is for you to actually start promoting. Let's get started by simply signing up with this platform. Before we do that, let's scroll down a little bit. You can see that this platform has two programs that you can choose from. The first one is the recurring affiliate program, and this one pays you 33% commission on every purchase or upgrade done by your affiliate subscribers. The second option here is the bounty affiliate program. It pays you an upfront fee of $100 once someone signs up with this platform using your affiliate link. As you can see, you can log in or sign up with any of these options. All right, let's proceed by probably signing up with this platform. I hit the sign up button. All right, I'll have to enter my name here. I need to choose a password. My country of residence is Nigeria. I'll enter my phone number. I need to enter my website, but if you don't own a website, simply leave that. All right, Getresponse wants to know how you intend to promote these products. The first option is email marketing. Of course, I'll choose email marketing. I will also choose video marketing and possibly article on my website. Let me enter a website since I own a website. I must include these. Okay. Now, I will confirm that I'm not a robot. I'll go ahead and create this account. You are welcome to Getresponse Affiliate Bounty Program. Now, from this point, I will need to activate my account. I would recommend you locate the link in the description of this video to actually sign up right now and follow the exact method. But if you're already here, you head over to your email right now to activate your account. Here we are. You can see that Getresponse Partnership Program has just sent me a link to further activate my account. I'll hit this button and I will enter my email. I'll enter my password and I'll log in. Now, Getresponse is asking me to connect my Getresponse marketing platform as it will increase my earnings. The second notification here is for me to fill out my payment information so that I can be able to receive payments from Getresponse. Now, let me learn more about connecting my account. Now, this is very important. Getresponse is an affiliate marketing product and it's also a software that will help you increase your sales as an affiliate marketer. What makes it beautiful is that Getresponse offers you a free account to use until you are able to upgrade to a premium account. Now I'll go ahead and connect my account. Thank you for connecting your account. Remember, this account connection was possible because first I had to create a Getresponse account. If I never created a Getresponse account, it wouldn't be possible for me to connect this account. So I recommend that if you did not follow this tutorial from the onset, go back from the beginning to ensure you have a functional Getresponse account before signing up as an affiliate partner. All right, so I'll simply go back to my dashboard. You can see right here, we are back to our Getresponse affiliate dashboard. You can as well go ahead to fill this form to ensure that you will receive your payment once you earn a commission. What is very important as regards this tutorial is the stage 2, and that is generating your unique affiliate link. With this unique affiliate link, you can start promoting this particular product. And once anyone signs up using your affiliate link, you will be paid $100 for that success. To do this, simply scroll down and here is your unique affiliate code. With this unique affiliate link, you can now proceed with next stages of our tutorial to learn more on how you can actually make the best and of course earn decent income from this platform.